Connection pooling in Java database connectivity. Here you can see the connection pooling. In the basic data source implementation, there is a one-to-one correspondence between the client's connection object and the physical database connection. When the connection object is closed, the physical connection is dropped. Thus, the overhead of opening, initializing, and closing the physical connection is incurred for each client session. Connection pool solves this problem by maintaining a cache of physical database connections that can be reused across the client sessions. Connection pooling is greatly improves the performance and scalability, particularly in a three-tier environment where multiple clients can share a smaller number of physical database connections. Connection pool data source that the application server uses to build and manage the connection pool. The algorithm used to manage the connection pool is implementation specific and varies with the application servers. The application server provides its clients with an implementation of a data source interface that makes connection pooling transparent to the client. As a result, the client gets better performance and scalability while using the same JNDI and data source APIs as before. We can consider connection pool data source interface, the pool connection interface, and the connection event class. These pieces which operate beneath the data source and connection interfaces used by the client are incorporated into a step-by-step description of a typical connection pooling implementation. Here JDBC application interacts with the application server. JDBC application is connected to application server via data source API, and application server is connected to JDBC application via logical connection object. Cache of pooled connection objects are inside the application server. Application server interacts with JDBC driver. Application server is connected to JDBC driver via connection pool data source API, and JDBC driver is connected to application server via physical pooled connection object. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.